So whether you're staying on GP for the foreseeable future, you're already on Business Central, you're kind of somewhere in between, there's one challenge that everyone's going to face, and that is how do I access my data and how do I connect to it across systems? Um, that's where E1 comes in, and our platform is going to help you do three different things. Integrate data, connecting to Great Plains, connecting to Business Central, or any of your other systems with the rest of your business applications. Migrating data, moving that legacy systems to the cloud when that time is right, without losing access to any of your history, and then reporting on data, making it easy for everyone in your organization to answer their own questions with data from multiple systems. And at the center of all that is two central products. We have Smart Connect and we have Popdock. Smart Connect is for when you need to move data between systems. This is a very traditional integration tool. For example, syncing customers between your ERP and your CRM, or maybe bringing in e-commerce orders into your ERP. Popdock is for when you need to share data. Maybe you want to see GP invoices inside of Business Central. Maybe you want to run a report that combines GP data with CRM data. Maybe you want to empower an end user who doesn't have access to your ERP data, but needs that data to do their job a little bit better, a little bit smarter. This is going to be a Popdock focused webinar, so we're going to dig into Popdock and what it does best, which is reporting and visibility across all of your systems. Doesn't matter if you're on GP or BC or, in tandem using both of them. Its core, Popdock's just a really powerful end user query tool. If you've used Smart List Builder for GP, you kind of know the concept already. It's going to take that and it's going to make that concept available across all of your platforms. Popdock's going to also help you answer a couple simple questions. What data do I want to see? Maybe that's GP history, maybe that's BC transactions, maybe that's CRM opportunities. And then from there, you get to choose the fields, the filters, and the details that matter to you so you can see exactly what you want to see. The next question is, what do I want to do with that data? So once you've built your list and you know what you want to see, you can merge it with other lists, you can export it, you can share it with different teams, and depending on what you're connecting to, you can push it into another system as well. And then the final question is, where do I want to see it? And this is a really big one. It's, do I want to see my GP history inside of Business Central? Do I want to surface BC data in my CRM? Maybe I want to share it and see it in Excel or in Teams. Popdock's going to let you put that information right where your users are already working and where they want to work with the data. And then kind of finally, for those of you that are planning a move to Business Central, what to do with my historical data can be kind of a scary question, but with E1 Solutions, with Popdock, you don't have to make a scary decision anymore. You can migrate that master data into Business Central as you already would. And then with Popdock, we can back up all your GP history to a secure data lake, and then we can use Popdock to surface that GP history right inside of Business Central. If you're staying on GP for now, that's also not a problem. Popdock's still going to be that smart list builder for everything. So it's going to give you that reporting today, and it will set you up for the future when you are ready to make that move. Either way, you're going to get faster projects, you're going to get lower costs, and you're going to have more visibility into the data that you want to see.